And Swedish Globetrotter again. I'm showing you a hostel. Today I'm lucky. Nobody's staying in this room for 14 euro per night. It's not so much. And they even let you have their sheets. Usually you need to rent sheets or bring your own sheets. But in this hostel, for 14 euro, they have really nice clean sheets. And that's a really plus, a really bonus for this hostel. Usually they take like 7-8 euro for towel and sheets. Okay, they didn't bring towels to this price. That's 5 euro, but I bring my own towels, so that's no problem. And one more thing that are really important these days, that's an outlet close to the bed, because you need to charge your telephone during the night and you don't want to have it too far away from the bed. Not just because maybe people stealing the telephone, it's just you like to have the telephone close to the bed so you can watch a movie or maybe just have the wake-up call. So this is a dormitory with 8 beds. I never use a 4-bed dormitory, it's too small and too personal, I think. But this 8 dormitory is perfect. And of course it's going to come more people here. I just checked in here 2 o'clock, so I think it's going to come more people. But that's okay, I like it. I like to talk to people when I'm traveling. And this is also really nice, to have a shower and a toilet in the same room. Usually you need to go out on the corridor to find your shower and toilet in a hostel. To have an extra sheet that I put over the bed like this. I get more personal if I just want to be alone. I can do that. Usually a hostel have a safety deposit box, and that's good for your passport, but otherwise people don't steal things, you know, your necessary things you have in your clothes. And I have never been around people stealing in a hostel. Okay, maybe you don't leave the computer, but if you have a cheap computer you can leave it under the mattress or something. The things I don't leave, it's my credit card and my telephone, but other things I usually just leave it on the bed. It's a really clean hostel, nice and sweet. But sometimes the refrigerator is a nightmare. There is my breakfast. Well, that's it. And this is a really nice hostel. So this is Swedish Globetrotter from Norrmalm and the Birka Hostel.